Welcome to a short tutorial on how to put images or photographs onto your website. There's two parts to this. First of all, how do you prepare the image before you actually upload it to your website? And then the second part is how do you actually put that uploaded image onto the web page itself. Okay, here I have an image called baby.jpg, which is stored on my computer in a folder called Chooboo how-tos. First thing I want to do is to prepare the image to be uploaded to the website. Well, first thing to draw your attention to is that the file size for this image is way too high. Typically an image should be no bigger than 100 kilobytes before you put it onto your web pages, and this is clearly far too big. In order to get this to a correct size, we want to do that before we try to put it onto the website. The way to do that is to open this image in whatever image program that you have on your computer. Typically double clicking on the image like I've done there will open it in the program that is on the computer. As you can see, it's opened it here. This is Microsoft Office Picture Manager. If I click on Edit Pictures, it opens up this area here, and what I need to do is click on Compress Pictures, see that the original size is that, and then we'll go up to here and click on Web Pages, and you'll see as soon as I've clicked that, it compresses it down to 85 kilobytes, which is very acceptable to go onto a website, and I click OK. The other thing to bear in mind now is that it's reduced the physical size of this image. I might want to reduce the physical size a wee bit more to go onto the web page. A typical web page will be 950 pixels wide. So if I click on resize here, you'll see what the size of this image is in pixels at the moment. It's 420 pixels wide by 336 deep. Make your own judgment as to whether you think that is the right size, therefore, considering your website is typically around 950 pixels wide. Let's say I'm happy with those dimensions and I want now to save that and upload it to my website. Well, I go up to here in File, click and Save As. I'm going to save it as file size baby for website, and click Save, and that's it, saved. I now go into my content management system, click Documents and Images. I select Images here, click Browse, and I browse for the image that I've saved. There's Baby for Website. Click Open and give it a name. Let's call it Baby, and click Upload. You get a message here to say that the file has been uploaded. Now I want to put that image onto a page. I click on Pages. So I click on Resources here and put it on Edit and click it to put it on that particular page. And here is the photo. So I go down a couple of spaces and I go to this button, Insert Edit Image, click on it. It opens up this dialog box. From this dialog box, I then want to select the image by clicking and trying to find the image. There it is, called Baby. It's important to give the image a description and a title for the purposes of search engines. I also have the option to align the image, like as we can see here, to the left or to the right. If I want it to go to the right, I click it like that. As you see, it will move it to the far end. These are the dimensions that we saved it as. You can create space around the image vertically and horizontally by entering a number of pixels here. Let's say 5 and 5 is pretty standard. And click Insert. You'll see it puts the image of the baby in here. It's important to go down, click Save. With that saved, we can go and have a look at it on the website by clicking View Your Site. And here in the Resources section of the site, we see the image. Now you might think that the image is far too big or too small, and you can go back and you can change that accordingly. Like most other things on the content management system, it's a matter of playing about with this service and getting used to it to get the image exactly how you like it. I hope that has been of help.